Municipality of Planguyan, Tawi-Tawi, Desalination Technology Supplier and Provider, Alo Layag Builders. The 200 cubic meters per day seawater desalination facility. Barangay Sicoles, Languyan, Tawi-Tawi, with the Alo Builders manager, CEO. So inshallah, soon will prosper in Pilas, Haji Mutamat Municipality. We will be having our desal, inshallah, in 1 year time. You see the desalination